In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Minecraft on the PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as you can see, I'm recording this video on my Windows 11 computer. However, I'm only doing this because the process is exactly the same on PlayStation 4. And as long as you follow through with the steps I show you, you are going to be able to change your name in Minecraft on PlayStation 4. Simply select Settings from the home screen of Minecraft after opening it up on your PlayStation 4 and scroll down until you see the Account option under General. Here in Account, the first immediate option you should see is Change Gamer Tag as long as you are signed into your account. When you select Change Gamer Tag, something should pop up on your PlayStation 4 that will redirect you to the Microsoft Store website or web page, and from there you will be able to change your settings, including of course your gamer tag. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your username on Minecraft on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.